With more brand new tools coming out this month of discount, Blender instructors and creators are taking off a good chunk to offer more to enthusiasts, artists, and anyone looking at ways to hone their skills, as some of these products offers twice the discounts you would get on any sales including Black Friday. And with offers like this that are way better than what you can get with typical sales, it is worth bringing to your attention so that you can save up that big chunk and get creating. Known for their epic Hardsurface learning materials and guides, the folks at Blender Bros are offering a massive discount twice and up to 3 times the size of any sale discount you would get on Blender Market, with their minimum cost bundle going for 50% all the way up to 70%. From functional courses to masterclasses, these courses are designed to teach artists looking at exploring Hardsurface model design, as these courses cover all aspects of Hardsurface modeling that you would ever want to know. And if you've always wanted to level up your 3D lighting skills, then this is the perfect course for you. The Cinematic Lighting in Blender course from Creative Stream offers a step-by-step guide on making your 3D scenes come to life. With the premium 6+ hours guide, Gleb has actually gone through to explain all of the intricacies that makes your 3D scenes look the way it is and how you can light your scenes and make them pop. Currently going for 25% for early birds, this is one course that you don't want to miss. Additionally, for any student who signs up for this, there is a dedicated channel on Discord that will be available for your questions. So if you've been thinking about how you can relight or probably light and get that cinematic lighting in your 3D scenes, then you might want to consider the Cinematic Lighting in Blender course and take advantage of this. Anthony Bagatini, creator of Baga Ivy, has just announced the Ivy Generator. This is a fully functional Ivy tool for creating Ivies with high quality visuals. This comes with over 120 assets and 30 varieties of Ivies for that gorgeous look. These assets are compatible with Baga Pi 8 and are also fully animated to add that extra level of realism to your scene. Additionally, this ships with a proxy system that allows for a more optimized way of working. And for anyone who would like to get this is currently having a 25% discount, which absolutely rocks. Most times after a good render, you may just want to push things a bit more to get that final look, and this is where post-process composition comes in. Luckily, the folks at TrueVFX have just made a course that will allow you to do just that. Regardless of the final software of choice, this course promises to teach the techniques required to get your renders to look more cinematic. With over 6+ hours of learning alongside 16GB of content and resources, this is one course I would suggest that you check out if you've always wanted to compose your final renders to look more awesome. Additionally, the folks at TrueVFX are celebrating their 4th-year anniversary on Blender Market with a 40% discount offer on all their products. So initially it felt like it was just for this particular course, but right now if you go through all their products, you find out that major products that they have on their page do have this 40% discount offer, and it is way better than what you can get with the typical Black Friday sales on Blender Market. 40% is a huge deal, and for anyone who would like to get any of these things, links to this is going to be in the description, so do well to check it out. With Blender geometry nodes allowing for more creative design, Masoom Patricio has announced the Urbaniac building generator. This early access generator gives users an impressive way to create 3D models using the power of geometry nodes. With 5 available presets to pick from, users can customize their models easily to fit tightly into what they want. Urbaniac offers a good variety of assets and also parameters so users can work more efficiently. At the same time, Masoom Patricio has also created a good number of assets that you can find on his storefront. So if you're looking for any of these, or probably you find any of these ones interesting, then you can go over to his storefront and grab that. And for sure, if you would like to get the building generator, currently he's doing a 50% off for the early access. From the creators of the popular Curve Basher for Blender, Ahmad Colony is offering a 40% flat sale with a coupon code Friday on all of their tools and learning materials. This is an umbrella deal for anyone looking at getting their Blender add-ons, courses, or other sets of resources that is currently available on their Gumroad. And for anyone who would like to take advantage of this, I'm going to put links to this in the description alongside the coupon code so you can grab this 40% right now. And here are a couple of honorable mentions of tools that are currently doing percentage off before the Blender Market Black Friday. Physical Addon is doing the Physical Celestial Object for 50% off. Aman Deep is also doing a 30% off. So if you go over to any of his tools, let's say you go over to the clean panels for example, you'll be able to get 30% off from any of the tools that you want to get from his page. All of these, they do have 30% off, and the coupon code for these ones is the B Friday. So just in case you're thinking about extra stuff that you can get that. Then we also have Ducky 3D that is doing a 25% off, and this is running from now till the end of November. The Quick Snow tool is here, and this is an incredible add-on for adding realistic snows to objects in your scenes. And to add snow to any object in your scene is a simple click away. And with a set of materials ranging from 1K all the way to 4K, there's a good number of high quality stuff that you can get out of this. And with this set of tools, artists can easily add snow to any model in Blender. Additionally, parameters for tweaking are also available, as users can make some cute snow art if they choose, with options to add displacement and tweak them within the parameters. So if you're feeling festive or you would like to add some snow to your model, then the Quick Snow tool is definitely a choice to consider. And if you're looking for a procedural set of buildings with some awesome customization and structure, then the Procedural Utopian building pack for Blender is what you need. This comes with 3 major building types, which include the stack building, high-rise building, and DNA building. This is currently integrated into the asset browser, which makes working with this a simple drag and drop from the asset browser to the viewport. With a good number of controls to adjust the height, randomize the seed, scale, rotation, translation, and more, artists would find this a very interesting tool to play with. This also comes with a foliage scatter asset, which can be populated across buildings. Additionally, users can use custom assets to customize their buildings. This is having a massive slash, and for anyone who would like to grab it, this might just be the best time to do so. This interesting Blender generator would make fine worlds if used sparingly or maximally. City Road Maker is a Blender geometry node generator that transforms curves to roads. This offers over 40 plus parameters for artists to create with, from barrier controls, box control, land control, lamp post controls and placement, roadside customization control, road control for size, lane, shoulders, patches, and so much more. And with the City Road Maker Blender generator, artists would no longer have need to create roads ever again. This is currently available for anyone who would like to get it, and links to this is also going to be in the description. Made by the folks at Contrast Render, the Pro Atmo add-on offers users functions and parameters to create realistic sky, space, and sci-fi scenes. With real-world calculated parameters baked into the world textures, which are also calculated procedurally, users can get far more faster render times with full control. This offers a real-time and seamless space transition with animated clouds for creating stunning images. So if you're looking for an atmospheric tool for cycles and Eevee, then this is available for pickup. Elon White has just released the Blender Live Painter. This is a camera-based filter tool that empowers digital artists struggling to match the traditional feel that only comes from physical artworks. This tool can be used to create spectacular art pieces, and this can be applied to a camera and also a given set of objects. And once the live feed camera filter is applied to any object and the object collections and camera are connected as input into the geometry node, the camera automatically reflects the scene with the filter applied. Currently, this only works for Eevee, and for anyone who would like to get it and play with it and see some real-time feedback, links to this is going to be in the description, so do well to check it out. So this is more like it. For those who like to take a look at any of these that we've just mentioned and even more stuff that we're going to put, links to all of this is going to be in the description. At the same time, there is a spreadsheet that we've created that contains all of these alongside the coupon code and date of expiration. At the same time, you would also be able to find products that are having their Black Friday and Cyber Monday sales. So for anyone who would like to take advantage of any of this, there's going to be a link in the description that will take you over to the spreadsheet where you can see all of these. Tell me what you guys think about this one in the comment section, and of course if you like this video or you learned something from this, you can go ahead and give a like and don't forget to share with a friend. And until I see you guys in the next one, peace.